Get acquainted with the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this striking Chevrolet Avalanche, the full-size utility vehicle that blends pickup capability with SUV comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, dual-zone AC, power driver's seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather steering wheel. Style and function blend beautifully in this can-do Avalanche. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.